Hey guys, today I'll show you the 2 reasons you can't change your username on the Rednote app and how to fix it. Kindly stay till the end so you don't miss a step. As you can see, we can't change our name, so the first reason is that we haven't verified our phone number. Now let me show where to find it and verify your number. Now the second reason is that your region is not currently supported, and to fix this issue you need to download a VPN and change your location to China. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.